Welcome to another informative video by HR How To, your trusted source of HR and career-related advice trusted by millions of followers all over the world. Visit hrhowto.net to access our full content library. How to find a job in Abu Dhabi. Finding a job in Abu Dhabi is a challenging task. But if you are willing to put in the effort, you can find a job in Abu Dhabi that suits your goals. Section 1. Research your profession to see if it's in demand. It would be best to find out whether the work is in demand in Abu Dhabi and the average salary for people in that profession. Section 2. Tweak your resume to make it stand out from the competition. Now that you have done your research, it is time to tweak your resume to make it stand out from the competition. Section 3. Attest all your educational documents. These are required for skilled professionals to work in the UAE. Once you have a good resume, you must ensure that all your educational documents are attested. This is a requirement for skilled professionals to work in the UAE. You must ensure that the UAE embassy in your home country attests all your academic records. Section 4. Apply for a job seeker visa in UAE. Once you have all your documents, you must apply for a job seeker visa in the UAE. This visa is valid for 3 months and allows you to look for a job in Abu Dhabi. Section 5. Find a bed space or room for rent in Abu Dhabi. Once you have obtained your job seeker visa, you must find a place to stay in Abu Dhabi. You can look for these types of accommodation on websites such as Dubizzle, Airbnb, or by asking around. Section 6. Ensure that you have quick access to public transportation in Abu Dhabi, as this is the best means of getting around in this emirate. Now that you have found a place to stay, you must ensure quick access to public transportation in Abu Dhabi. You should have an international driving permit, also known as an IDP, to rent a car, which is cheaper than hiring a taxi. You should also ensure that you have a valid transit card to use public transportation in Abu Dhabi. Section 7. Start applying for jobs on Indeed and LinkedIn. This will give you a better chance of finding a job in Abu Dhabi. Section 8. Avoid job scams that promise to get you a job in return for a fee. It is important to note that many job scams out there promise to get you a job in return for a fee. These practices are illegal in the UAE, and you should avoid dealing with such recruiters. Make sure to check the legitimacy of the recruiter before you decide to work with them. Consider this a huge red flag if you get an interview call for a job that is too good to be true. Section 9. Appear for interviews on time and dress for success. Making a good impression on the interviewer is crucial as it will increase your chances of getting the job. Also, make sure that you are prepared for the interview. Section 10. Do not undersell yourself. When interviewing for a job, you must ensure you do not undersell yourself. Only accept a lower paying job if you have little to no experience in the UAE job market. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on informative content from HR How To. Links to full tutorials will be shared in the description box located below. You can also visit hrhowto.net to access our full content library.